Today we were at Pawtucket's new train station that the State Fire Marshal's office just approved. And look, they got all their lights on. All the parking lot lights are day burning. That's very bad for LEDs. LEDs do not like that. All right. Oh, Hannah's gonna need to put some more grass there, you're right. Oh, extension cords. Where's Hannah when you need her? There's extension cords, Hannah. And all the lights are on. I don't know if that's appropriate. Yeah, really, they couldn't have put a plug, you're right. So we're going up the ramp, and that's the fire alarm control room right there. Oh no, I don't see anyone over there. That's the heat detector they have outside. Oh, they're looking at us. The electrical room. There it is. Yeah, I think it was. Ladies and gentlemen, look at how horrible the pipe job looks. Look at how they smashed them right on top of each other. Now, what do we notice right off the bat? We've only seen one heat detector. The heat detectors are not spaced throughout. Finally, we see another heat detector over here. But as you can see, they crammed it all the way up against the glass. That's not exactly the 2.5 feet it's supposed to be off. And again, look at that pipe job. I've never seen such bad piping in my life. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Look at that.
The only heat sensor we can find?
There's one outside the fire alarm panel room, but yeah, they're not evenly spaced. And you notice how they smashed it right up against the glass.
Yeah.
And who does piping that like that? Have you ever seen this type? I've never seen piping done that bad. And ladies and gentlemen, it's actual conduit. It's not EMT. Ah. Oh yeah. Here's their expansion joints. Get that on film. Yeah. Now the next thing they did is this is their radio master box antenna. If you've noticed, they've clipped the actual antenna to the metal, not the bracket. This is a violation right here. You have to have support within 3 inches when you're doing it like this. No support at all. We also have a hole drilled out on the top. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, no support here. And the fire alarm box appears to be dented and smashed. And it is not, it is some sort of garden hose like thing. Plastic jacket.
Heat sensors. There's one heat sensor here.
Oh, there is a heat sensor there? Pretty tiny, I couldn't see that. I wonder if this elevator is hydraulic or what type of elevator. Look at all the cameras they got. Oh my god. Ooh, look at the black wall. Yeah, I did not get that at all. What was that? Now we get back on.
It's ground and P is the parking lot. You know, there's no parking lot at that level.
Oh, look it, they got like some sort of window thing in the elevator.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen that before. Well, hopefully that's got a 4-hour fire rating. Oh, that's right, there's a window in the back. I have seen windows in the back, but never in the doors. Again, another violation. Support has to be within 3 inches when it's a wet location. Oh, look at how pretty the railroad tracks are.
I actually got more respect for that building. See how they get that nice.
Oh, cool. Loading docks, train tracks, my fave.
Although I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dumpsters not fenced in, bro.
Oh, John Hanley, where are you when we need you? They have dumpsters not fenced in.
6 of them.
John Hanley, where are you? Ooh, look, it looks too short. They're not unionized. They had to use Simplex.
Wait. Don't you stamp these for when the starting date is?
How could it have been inspected
okay,
in 2023?
Oh, it's January
Oh,
2023.
oh, that's right.
That other thing is just a black mark. Okay.
Oh, we'll leave them alone down there.
It only gets worse as you get older. Oh, I can imagine.
No support. Notice how there's no support on any of these pipes? Ladies and gentlemen, look at these pipes. There's no support. And no heat detectors anywhere, except outside the elevators. And did you notice that it's like a garden hose type of connection on this? It's plastic, what's into the fire alarm box. And it's dented, folks. See how it's dented? And it's plastic indented.
Yeah.
Plastic indented. And there's a hole on top of that one. Wait a second. How come they didn't just have a box up there and come down on the pole?
Yeah.
Folks, let me pan out for you, if I can.
Or better yet, why
Let me pan out.
take the pipes straight up the pole?
Yeah, why not take them? Yeah. Yeah, who does the fire alarm work like that? Either have a box up there and come down, or have the pipe on the pole to begin with. I like that one better. Have the pipe on the pole to begin with. And there's no support. That's a lot of weight for those covers to support. See how they got the whole length of the light dangling from those covers? They did that throughout the station. That's a lot of weight, folks. That's a lot of weight. All right. Oh, I never seen a pipe end like that. As you can see, we already got some warping at the expansion. And the back box on this really should have been red. That really should have been red. Yeah. And notice how there's no emergency lights. I'm going to assume that they have an inverter for the regular lights, but sometimes it's not always good to assume. And the lack of exit signs. All right, I'm satisfied with that inspection. And again, look at the piping.
See any battery cabinets there?
And notice how there's no pull stations as you're exiting.